Saving money can be as easy with these 4 best rules for saving money. The first one is that you always need to keep your savings on your budget no matter how much you earn. Literally, budgeting every month is a basic. And when you have a budget, always keep the part on your budget where you put the money aside. Every budget is only balanced and will help you to be financially stable if you have these 3 parts covered. First is to making money, so you budgeting your income. Second one is to keep your money, so you having your savings, and perhaps if you want to go further ahead, you maybe have your investment. The third part is spending your money, because obviously we all want to enjoy our money because we work, we invest our time, we get our income, so of course we want to spend them. However, don't spend more than you make, and always keep your savings on your budget no matter how much you earn. So that's the first rule. It's non-negotiable. Your savings are always part of your budget. The second rule is that savings will create over time your money safety space and will bring you peace of your mind. You see, in the financial industry, if you want to have success, you don't doubt this. Simply having money in your saving account is having your money in the account that you have access to. So over the time, you create that safety space. A lot of people will argue that saving account will not make you money, and saving interest which is added to this account is not enough. Fair enough. However, these are the money you put in there, and these are yours. So no matter what the market is doing, no matter whether you lose your job, you don't have the income, this money will be there. So that's why it is called the money which are creating your safety space, and the money which will bring peace to your mind, because you know that you have that money over there, and you consider this money as the money which you will likely not even ever use in your lifetime. Therefore, this money is there for saving. This is don't touch money, rather than trying to find reason what you should do with this money. In your mind, this is money which you will keep there and will always be there for you. The third rule is to never consider savings to be a waste of money. This is not a waste of money. The most commonly used excuse for not having savings is that saving money will not make you rich. As we mentioned already, saving accounts are not a financial tool which will make you money. The interest rate which you will get added up to your savings, it's not a lot, and it will not make you rich. However, saving account is not the financial tool for you to become rich. It's the financial tool where you put your money aside and you don't touch them, and you have that safety net for yourself just in case that something happens and you really need that cash. So it's not the waste of time. It's not the way how to make you rich. However, it's the way how you always make sure that you have cash on the side, which is right there on the saving account. And the fourth rule is to never look at savings as the way to make you money so you can get rich. As slightly mentioned already with the previous rule, literally people have to stop looking at savings as a waste of money and as the way how to make money. There are other financial rules in the financial market which you can use if you want to become rich. You can learn how to use them, and then you can make for yourself more money. However, savings are there for you to have money always on the side. And that's the way how the saving accounts should also be considered from your end. That's why it's always good to keep some money on the side And like this, you will make sure that you always make money, you keep money, and then you also spend money, as we all want to enjoy it. However, the making money part is definitely not by using a saving account. This is just a place, consider that as a place where you're gonna park your money and you're gonna keep them over there just in case something happens, just in case you will lose your job and you need your financial safety for a certain period of the time. Those savings will be there. So these are the 4 rules how you can actually sort out your savings, and these 4 rules will help you to not only understand the savings, but also to help you keep going with your savings and keeping those savings on your saving account.